how to fold a paper airplane video is the best paper airplane according to my friend Daniel. You use copy paper and fold it in half, hot dog or long ways, turn it over, and then fold those two bottom corners up onto the center fold. Make sure that they're as even as possible, make nice crisp lines. Fold that pointed end up to the center line, and then fold each of these bottom corners up to the center line as well, but 3/4 of an inch from that pointed end. Kind of leaves a blunt end on the bottom. Then you're going to take that little triangle piece and fold it down over those two flaps. Take the two sides and fold each of them into the center line again. And then you're going to flip it over, and when you fold it in half and lift up those flaps, you are ready to fly. Why not make several of these and have a fun paper airplane competition? You can find how to make this target by following the link below this video. Complete instructions for both that target and how to fold a paper airplane are found at welcometonianus.com. Enjoy!